New real estate investors, you need to hear this. I got a crucial strategy to share with you that could save you from potential investment headaches. So when I'm estimating rehab costs, I use a buffer system that's been limiting my losses. And here's the deal. Depending on the property condition, I add a percentage buffer to my calculations. For example, for light rehabs, 10% usually does the trick. If it's a medium project, I go with 15%. And for heavy duty renovations, I play it safe with a 20% to 25% buffer. And this approach acts as a safety net, cushioning unexpected expenses and helping me make savvy decisions. You can customize these percentages to match your project. So tailoring these buffers to your specific needs can be a game changer in your investment game. Remember this. Success in real estate starts with a smart buy, not just a profitable sell. So if you found this tip valuable, do me a favor, hit the like button and share this wisdom with your fellow investors. Let's help each other to make informed decisions and create thriving real estate portfolios. Happy investing, everyone. Until next time, aloha for now.